running. I am eating. Because this egg soon is getting not good. It's called bulok. it's going to bulok. It's call this. It's not good. I think 3 days. This one is expired. Yeah, expired. I'm eating this one. I'm eating this one. And I'm eating this one. But you know, it's good taste. This one not fresh, but it's good taste for me.